জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
What am I thinking? How can the police officer's daughter come to the village in such bad weather? No, that's not making any sense. Nothing is making sense. Doctor, please let me go to Kolkata. I can't stay here. It's very urgent.
Don't talk, Trinayani. You'll fall more sick. Please try to sleep a little. You'll feel sleepy the moment we give you the medicine.
Wait, nurse. Don't be so restless and tell me something, Trinayani. Why do you want to go to Kolkata?
I have a lot of work there, doctor. I need to find answers to many questions. You won't understand what I say. No one will understand. Please let me go. I need to go to the police officer. I must find out about his daughter.
Trinani! Trinani, how are you? How are you, Trinani?
Father?
Yes, it's me. We have come so far just to meet you. We are here. You don't need to worry, okay?
Mr. Karmakar, you are also here. I was coming to you.
To me?
Listen, Mr. Karmakar, do you have a daughter? Where is she, Mr. Karmakar? Please tell me where is she. I want to know.
My daughter? My daughter is no more child. My daughter has left me.
She's no more. She's no more.
Wow, she decked up so well on her wedding day. Will I also deck up in this manner? But where will I get so many ornaments? There is a chance if my in-laws are rich. Oh no, who is it? I can't even look at the jewelry peacefully. You?
I can only go inside if you move aside.
What?
I can go in if you let me.
Sure. Please come in.
Who is it, Kumu?
Greetings, uncle.
It's you.
Yes.
Hasn't Nan come?
No, she hasn't come, but she's fine. Father said she's absolutely fine. That's why I've come here to inform you. Also, I've got something for you to eat.
You've got
Hey.
food? What all have you got? I was yearning to eat something good. Move aside, grandfather.
Actually, I've got whatever I found in a hurry. I mean, there weren't many options, so.
There's a worm! Oh my lord! These are white worms!
What worms? No.
Please don't mind her, my child. Tell me about Nayan. Where is she? Did Dripto leave Trinani?
Hey, hold on! You heard that she was fine. How many times do you want to hear that? Hey, mister! You talk to me! What is all this? How could you get worms for us to eat? You can't do this just because we are poor!
At least listen to me. These are not.
What will you say? Tell me! What if I fall sick after having all this? You didn't even think about...
Quiet! Such a strange girl you are. Will you let me talk? These are not worms. It's a dish. Noodles. It's called noodles.
What is it called?
It's called noodles. She's screaming without knowing anything.
I am sure she has come here to create a mess. She doesn't want to know about her sister. She doesn't even want to. She's busy eating. I wonder if Nayan is starving.
What are you saying, officer? Why are you saying that? She's no more. There she is. She's looking at you. But why is your daughter looking so sad?
Nayan, what are you saying, child? There is no one over there, no one.
That's not true. She's there. There she is. Look, there she is. Can't you see her? Hey, tell them. Tell them you are here. Why don't you tell them?
It's too painful, Nayan. It's too painful. May you have a happy life with your husband. I also wanted that. But I couldn't. They didn't let me be happy.
Hey, where are you going? Who didn't let you be happy? Tell me. Excuse me, where are you going? Listen, where are you going?
Nayan, what are you doing?
She
Who
was...
are you talking to, child? Don't you believe us? Look carefully, there's no one here.
But I saw her clearly. She said...
You're weird, Trinani. You're abnormal. And I'm really scared of abnormal people.
What did he say? Who was it? What did she say? Tell me.
No, I won't say anything to anyone. No one will believe me. And then they will think that I am weird. They will also be scared of me like Dripto is. No, I won't tell anyone. I won't tell anyone. I won't tell anyone. I won't tell anyone.
Trinani, what happened to you? Tell me, please. I'm here in front of you. Why are you being so restless? What happened? Why are you so worried?
Father, please take me from here. I can't take it anymore, Father. Please take me.
I will, Trinani. I will take you home. Definitely. We have come so far to take you from here. I'll take you to Kolkata, my son. Your family is there, am I right?
Hey, quiet!
They are village kids. They are not rich. Is that why you don't like them?
There you go. We have reached the main road.
Okay, well, I was saying, can I get anything to go to Kolkata from
You have
here?
to go to Kolkata. You'll get a bus from here. There are shuttle cars too. But I'll tell you, that depends on your luck. If you are lucky, you will get one. Otherwise, you won't.
Oof. They talk so much. Excuse me. Hey, stop. Hey. Hey, listen. Excuse me. Hey. Hey. No one's stopping here. What do I do now? There isn't any bus either. How will I go back home? Okay, I see a car. Hey! Dad! Wow, it's good that I met you. I thought I wouldn't be able to return home tonight.
Deepu, don't waste time. Get in the car. Come on, sit.
I never want to see your face ever again, Trinani. Trinani is here again?
I was saying, Dad will bring Nayan back since he found her. Actually, Dad loves her a lot. You don't have to worry at all. So I think I should leave now.
Are you leaving?
Yes, ma'am. I have some work. I'll come later to check on you.
Okay, child. But there wasn't any need to bring so much food. Actually, we are not in a condition to eat.
No way. Nothing will get wasted. I'm here. I'll have everything. And listen, I was saying, are all the dishes so tasty like this one?
Yes. Listen, ma'am. Can I have some water?
Sure, let me get it for you.
Listen.
Can I ask something? How did you know that I would like this dish?
What?
How did you know about my likes and dislikes in such a short period of time? How did you read my mind?
Yes, ma'am. Give me the water.
But mother is... He fooled me. All right. Just wait and watch. If I get one chance, I'll fool you for life. Just like Nayan fooled Dripto.
Oh no. I'm not able to avoid this girl by any means.
What is this? Why did you close the door? Get in.
I won't come with you, Dad. You can carry on.
What are you saying, Deepu? I just don't understand. Why are you doing this?
Father, I'm getting down. Please take him home.
Come on. What's going on, Nan? What are you two doing? You are saying you want to get down from the car. He doesn't want to get in the car. Is that a joke? Mr. Dripto, please get in the car. Come on.
I said I won't. I'll walk if need be, but I won't come in this car.
Come on, what's the fault in my car?
Okay, why are you being so childish, Deepu? Do you want to walk home?
Mr. Topabrata, reason with your son. Tell him about the condition of the roads. Roads have collapsed because of the cyclone. Tell him how we came here. Mr. Tripto, please be practical. What are you doing all this? You know you won't get any public transport from here. Mr. Tripto, you cannot go to Kolkata on foot. You have to understand it's not that easy. Come on, get in the car.
Deepu, I don't want any excuses. Don't be stubborn, please. I'm telling you, Deepu, will you get in the car or not?
The atmosphere inside the car is quite grimmer than outside. We need to make the atmosphere light. What do you think, Mr. Basu? Am I right? I'll tell you what. Let's listen to some music. We can't be sad throughout the journey.
Mr. Karmakar, you are hopeful that Trineni and Deepu will be together. That's why you are saying this. But I know what their fate is. Listening to songs is not going to solve the issue.
No one is saying anything. Okay, let me play the music.
What is this? Even this song is not leaving me.
Okay, note down today's menu.
Just a minute, ma'am.
Well, rice, the Bengali lentil, brinjal, cauliflower roast.
Okay.
How will you cook the prawns? Steam them.
Yes, steamed.
Fish curry? No.
Fish.
Deepu likes fish gravy. Cook
Okay,
fish gravy.
fish curry.
Cook it nicely.
Okay.
Mutton and chutney. I'll get the sweets.
Madam, so many dishes today. What is the occasion?
There's an occasion. Deepu sent that girl back and is returning home. We need to celebrate. Listen, the cooking should be good.
Yes, it will be the best, madam. Don't worry. May I come in?
You? Please come in.
Actually, I needed some signatures from sir. It's very urgent. That's why I had to come to your place. Is he at home? Can you please call him?
Is he not in the office?
No, he's not in the office.
What's this? He's not in the office? Mom? Mom, he's saying Tapobrata is not in the office. Where did he go? Did he tell you anything?
Yes. I mean, no, he didn't tell
Sanjita,
me.
where would he go? He didn't come home last night. Am I right, Aunt?
Tapobrata didn't come home last night.
Dad, will you please stop this song?
Hey, what's the problem? It's a nice song, I like it.
This channel plays this song all the time. And I don't like listening to the same song again and again. So you please change this song.
Mr. Tripto, you don't understand. This is an evergreen song. It's a love song. Listen to it carefully. Try to feel it. You like it a lot. Mr. Topamruto, am I right?
You won't be able to do it, Mr. Karmarkar. You can't make Deepu like Trineni in this way. I tried hard, but I couldn't. Just couldn't.
Lotus, he's getting irritated. Why are you playing this trick? The one who is scared of me and hates me and wants to go away from me. Why did you attach my life to his? You made it my destiny to follow him for life. Why did you do it? Why?